Hello friends, welcome to my channel Prachi Style. Today here we are at Radisson Blue Resorts in Karjat. So let me just show you the property entrance. It's very beautiful and welcoming and gives you good vibes. Also we'll be exploring the property more today and I'll just give you a quick room tour in some time. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Prachi Style. Today here we are for a staycation at Radisson Blue Resort and Spa, Karjat. And let me give you a quick room tour of our room with balcony and bathtub. So see, this is the beautiful room. It's very spacious and it's very big also. Not sure if you can see it from the video, but it's really good. It's very spacious and also has a lot of space for luggage, which is the best part for me. You can place your luggage in the rack given below as well. They have a wardrobe. Standard, this is standard. But bathroom is spacious and it's well done. Interiors are quite good and subtle and well thought of. Everything is of premium quality here. They have all the amenities and toiletries which are essential. Also have a bathtub. And this is the bathroom. The shower area separate. Bathroom is also very spacious. Fittings are premium. Everything is so well done. And see, this is one more wardrobe with other things which they have provided, utilities and hangers and ironing boards, everything standard. One quirky thing which I spotted here, actually my husband spotted, was the kettle. Kettle is very different than what we usually see in other restaurants or resorts. So we really love the kettle here. Also, I love the color combination of the interiors which they have used. And overall it does give a premium vibe as soon as you see the room. Also see the glasses. They are tinted glasses with different color, beigeish tangerine kind of a shade. Also the curtains and everything that they have used has a good complementary color scheme which is appealing to the eyes and also makes you feel as if you are staying in a premium room according to the package which you have paid for. So yeah, it is one of the best hotels, resorts in Karjat, and we just wanted to stay here and take the experience. They have multiple lobbies based on your room numbers and different sections. Breakfast is also served accordingly. And see, this is our view. Since it's night now, I'm not sure if you can see the view. Only thing which I thought needs to be improved is the service at the reception. The people at the reception seem to be a bit clueless because I asked her if the room has bathtub. She said no, it doesn't. But I remember having paid for the bathtub. So when I am in the room, as we can see, we already have a bathtub. So they are a bit confused and bit clueless. So we had a check-in of at 2 p.m. 3 p.m. But we did reach around 2:30, actually 2 o'clock. So they said you'll have to wait, which is okay. And they said we'll give you a call. So I said, okay, you keep the luggage for some time and we'll come in some time and then we'll take the room. So they said, okay, just leave it there. And I had to tell them, since we'll not be there around, so you'll have to keep the luggage separately somewhere. You just can't leave it in the luggage area of your lobby. So that way you just have to tell them many things. So service at the reception needs a lot of improvement, I'll say. There's a lot of chaos. Also, when we came back at 7 o'clock, she said you'll have to wait for some time. Then I'd have to again tell her that we have just come back from outside. Please do whatever you have to a bit quickly so that you can hand over the room to us, since we have already lost 2 to 4 hours in the check-in process. now that we are back, at least we'd like to rest in our room, which we have already paid for. So yeah, that way you'll have to be a bit persistent at the reception to get your room. But rooms are really good. But yeah, keep that in mind. You have to fight it out a bit at the reception. You have to be a bit feisty. But otherwise, it's good. I think they have a lot of people here today, maybe. It's a bit crowded, but still, even if it is crowded, I think that the staff is a bit clueless and very confused. So they are just very confused overall. No, somebody seems to say go to that person, then when you are trying to go to the person, he's saying please wait. So it's difficult to wait for a person, you know. It's like frustrating after you have traveled for like 3 hours and you have to wait for an hour for your room in the lobby area, and then again you are told that okay, keys are not available. And then when we came up after waiting so much, the keys had some issue, so we again went back and got the key. So overall, I am just not happy with the chaos at the reception. But otherwise, interior wise, the room is very good, guys. A worth it experience. And even this is not the pool area, so it's like a beauty in the morning, maybe when they have switched on the fountains. But otherwise also it's so beautiful and peaceful. Right now it's already dark, so I can't go in the balcony, but I'll surely make it a point to create a video in the morning. But view is really beautiful. That's the reason I've booked this place, and we just wanted to try out the experience here, since it's one of the best resorts and I'd heard a lot about it. So if you like the interior, also you can book it from Make My Trip for discounted prices. I did. You also get it at discounted prices from the website, I think. So it depends on the discounts, how booked it is. But overall, if you ask me, I really like the room, and it's a good room and worth paying for a slightly higher price. Also, it's worth it, definitely. Highly recommend the rooms here, but just keep in mind about the reception chaos. So manage your time accordingly, because there can be a delays, a bit disappointment on the reception section. But otherwise, the experience seems to be good so far. I'll just show you the view in the morning. This is the beautiful view from our balcony. The beautiful view of the mountains, and this is the fountain area of the resort. But there are a lot of lizards outside, so we would not prefer to go out and sit. But otherwise, also it's very hot as compared to inside. But otherwise, they have seating also here, and the view is amazing. Something which you would love to get up to and just sip your coffee and sit outside. So we had booked a room with balcony, and in the photos they had shown this view on Make My Trip, so I booked this room. But as the photos show, it is exactly same. The view is really good, so I'm overall satisfied with the room, and I highly recommend this room to anybody who wants to just have a staycation in Karjat. Also, the breakfast is amazing. A lot of options for kids as well and adults as well. So they have non-veg, veg, all kinds of options. I think it's one of the best foods which you can get here, because yesterday we have tried at some restaurants, but they don't have such diverse dishes. So they have a limited menu, like just very limited, and mostly everything is out of stock. So especially in Karjat, I'll recommend you to just try foods at such places in your resort itself, because they'll give you a lot of options as compared to the restaurants outside. So I'll highly recommend this room to everybody, whoever wants to just come to Karjat. If you like my videos, please do consider to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also let me know your comments, thoughts and feedbacks. I'll love to hear about them, and just hype this video if you love it from your YouTube mobile app. And until the next video, goodbye, take care everyone.